Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Volkswagen Atlas. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Perfect. Not seeing any scratches. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. The hood looks perfect. No dents, no paint chips. Let's have a look at the driver's fender and wheel now. Everything here looks perfect on this fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door are in excellent condition. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's have a look now at the back of the SUV. I don't see any scratches, no dents here. Everything looks fine. The only thing I see is just the little toe hitch or piece a little off right there. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Everything here looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the passenger side doors. The front and back door on this side look very good. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents. Now the last fender and wheel. Everything here looks perfect. No scratches, no dents. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's side. The driver's seat looks really good. I'm not seeing any wear and tear. Let's have a look at the door panel. And the back seat looks good as well. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now let's take a look at the passenger side. Alright, everything here looks perfect as well. Now let's have a look at the rest of the interior. We're going to start off with the center console. Everything here looks perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. No wear and tear with the buttons at all. And the leather and stitching around the steering wheel looks perfect. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.